Today we're looking at the bearing kit for the 8,000-pound trailer axles. It comes with your 10-63 oil seal. So if you're using oil in your 7K or 8K axles, this is the kit you want to get. It has the 2¼ inch inner diameter and the 3.37 inch outer diameter, and it is 0.48 thick. It comes with your inner bearing, the 25580, which is 1¾ inch inner diameter. And it comes with your outer bearing, that is the 02475, and this one is 1¼ inch inner diameter. So this is a good little kit to have, just a little spare kit to keep in your truck in case you have any hub problems or anything you need to replace bearings on the side of the road. Keep these in your truck just in case, because you never know what might happen. You can buy these online at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or stop by our store here in Huntsville, Texas. Thank you.